Hey Falcons, today I wanted to make a video to show you how to create your NoodleTools account. So the first step is navigate to the library website. From there, you are going to select the Research tab and then the NoodleTools login option. That's going to bring you to this page. And from this page, you are going to sign in using Google. So click the giant G and sign in using your school Google account. The next step is to select your location, which in this case will be Summit Lakes Middle School. Once you've selected that, you're going to hit continue. And then you are going to make sure that you have your school set as Summit Lakes and enter your expected year of graduation and save that profile. Next step is going to be to tell what type of account you want to create, and you are going to register as a student or library patron. So go ahead and make sure that's selected and then hit create account. And from there, that should bring you to a page that looks similar to this, and you are ready to create your first project.